was a time when bathing was just a part of routine, but today it's much more. Today, it's a synonym of luxury and an instrument of rejuvenation, where you free yourself from stress and restore yourself. With changing trends and ever-changing consumer demands, there was an inexorable need of a brand that would cater the needs of consumer for a luxurious, comfortable, therapeutic and innovative bathing experience. This led to the inception of Oyster in 2003 that changed the way we perceive water and bathing. Oyster evolved with water wellness products and has been at the forefront of bathroom innovation ever since.
हमने देखा कि लोगों का रुझान कुछ मतलब लग्जरी आइटम को पसंद करने का रुझान बढ़ चला है, तो हमने जो है इसलिए हमने अपनी कंपनी में लग्जरी आइटम बनाने के और सप्लाई करने के लिए हमने उधर की तरफ ध्यान दिया और इसीलिए हमने जो है ये सब लग्जरी आइटम हम जो है सप्लाई करते हैं और लोगों को रुझान हमारी कंपनी से बहुत अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स मिला है हमको और हम बहुत खुश हैं बाज़ार से और हमारी सेल काफ़ी अच्छी चल रही है लग्जरी आइटम से।
We welcome you to the world of Oyster, where innovation is our core and water wellness our business. Oyster today flaunts an impressive portfolio of bath products that is beyond ordinary bathing. Avant-garde products at Oyster offer relaxation, cleansing, rejuvenation and comfort with an exceptional bathing experience. Oyster, not just a brand, but a statement which knows no boundaries in providing you rejuvenating and relaxing bathing experience. With a mission of serving luxury bathing needs with innovation and technology, Oyster is a top-notch company in today's scenario in developing, manufacturing and marketing quality finished, aesthetic and luxurious water wellness products pan-India. Highly inspired by the groundbreaking Make in India initiative, we at Oyster design and develop a range of products of high quality, exclusively suitable to Indian environment conditions.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे हम लोगों का पूरा फोकस है और हम पूरे वर्ल्ड में ट्रैवल करके नई नई चीज़ें क्या आ रही हैं उसको देखते रहते हैं और अपनी कंपनी में क्या बेस्ट कर सकते हैं उस पर पूरा ध्यान देते हैं और उससे टीम उस पर पूरा वर्क करती है और उसमें हमारे प्रोडक्ट के अंदर जो भी मटेरियल हम यूज़ करते हैं वो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट ही होता है। नई चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अभी रिसेंटली हमने नया डायोटर बनाया है और जो कि अपने आप में इंडिया में फ़र्स्ट टाइम इस तरह की एक इनोवेशन हम लेके आए हैं मेक इन इंडिया में, क्योंकि हमारे प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादातर इन हाउस हैं तो कस्टमर सेल सपोर्ट तो हम दे ही सकते हैं बहुत अच्छी। कभी भी सर्विस की ज़रूरत होती है तो हमें किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं कि प्रोडक्ट बाहर से आएगा तब हम सर्विस दें, तुरंत दे सकते हैं।
Oyster has its own manufacturing unit in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, with a state-of-the-art infrastructure, where each product is sculpted to perfection by a dedicated team of professionals with world-standard material. Oyster has seen an exceptional growth over the years in terms of team growth, business growth, channel partner network and orientation centers.
What I felt is, from starting onward they were different. Starting from the product choice and the kind of service, the kind of sales service to the customers, to the architects, the technical explanations were too good, were too different. What all they are doing is one of the best in Indian market as far as wellness is concerned. And then after sales is one of the best. It has been a very nice journey till now, and regarding product, service, everything is too good with us.
Kickstarting the company with only 6 channel partners, Oyster today has more than 400 channel partners across India with a concrete distribution network. With an aim to reach the acme of wellness industry, Oyster has its own dedicated team of sales professionals present pan-India.
Wellness through water is been accepted globally for centuries. People have been using water therapy for their wellness, for healing for years together. Unfortunately, in India, people are not aware of this therapy. So our plan is to first make people aware about the concept of water therapy, and then innovate product or produce products which can be used for by people to for their wellness through water therapy. I always believe that Oyster is a company, I always call it as a company with brain. If we talk about our competitor, Oyster is certainly ahead of them in terms of innovation, in terms of contemporary designing, in terms of suitability of our product for Indian circumstances.
At Oyster, customer satisfaction in terms of quality, delivery and after-sales service is of utmost importance to us. Oyster focuses on satisfying its customers with good after-sales services and has a skilled team of more than 100 technicians present in different locations in India with a call center in Delhi. Oyster's pillars of success are its core values and ethos, which are innovation, performance, integrity, sustainability, customer satisfaction and continuous learning.
Being a first employee of Oyster, I had to say that whatever I had learned, whatever I had earned, that is due to Oyster only. In my journey of last 12 years, Oyster gives me an opportunity and freedom to explore the way I need to do it, the things in a better way. The support, the guidance of the management and all the senior authorities is in such a way that you never feel lonely, alone in any of the difficulties, in any of the problems in your official as well as in your personal life. If I have to say about Oyster, then I say that it's a family. It's not a workstation for us, it's a family which helps, which supports in every aspect of your life. And being a first employee, I am most honored and obliged the way the things has been going in my life.
Our team has courage, confidence and conviction to put Oyster as complete bathing solution. Visioning with the same spirit, we would continue that legacy with earning the trust of millions. Oyster thanks you all for your love and patronage for more than a decade and valuable blessings that let us going.